Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw Goku, one of the most powerful and energetic character out there. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to bring Goku to life. So grab your pencils and let's dive into it. I'll start by drawing a circle using it. And then I will divide this circle vertically from the middle. And one more time horizontally, then dividing the lower half horizontally again. We will make two rectangles for each eye. I am extending the lower space of the circle and marking a bit below of it. Here I will draw two lines like V shape. To creating jawline, I will draw three reference lines, two vertical lines from the ear to the lip line and one horizontal line connecting them. Now we can connect these dots and get a proper jawline. Goku's jawline depicted as strong and angular, which gives him a rugged and heroic appearance. Now we can darken these lines. In these two rectangles, we will draw two diagonal lines. This will be the reference line for eyebrow. Please refer this graphic, it will help you to create eyes. I have tried to simplify the shapes by breaking it down. When Goku is angry, his eyes narrowed sharply. With furrowed eyebrow, his pupil become more defined and his eyelid tighten, giving his gaze a fierce, determined look. Follow the same method for right side of the eye. Here is the Goku's perfect eyes. This is the place where I will draw the inward triangle, that would be the nose of Goku. Draw a few details too. Here we can draw Goku's mouth. Goku's mouth is open wide, his jaw is tensed, and the corner of his mouth are pulled back, giving his face intense angry expression. These two lines will be the reference for the ears. Above the forehead, I will draw a half circle, which will be the reference for hair, which is pointy and zigzag. Goku's hair is a key part of his character. It's always spiky and never seems to fall flat. Whether it's black, golden or blue, Goku's hair perfectly matches his powerful transformation. So after finishing here, we have a Goku. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and support the channel. Keep practicing. And remember, just like Goku, your skills will keep growing strong with every step. See you in the next one.